Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how much YouTube paid me for the month of November and December. So I should have made this video in the first week of December. Sorry guys, actually I was traveling for a while. There's a reason I'm making this video right now. So let's dive in and let's see how much YouTube paid. So before we dive in, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, because this is the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube and many other stuff. And let's dive in. On total, we have two different YouTube channels, and the first one is my compilation type YouTube channel and the second one is my personal brand YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because my compilation type YouTube channel made well over $20,000 in the last month. So you will be seeing all those revenues. So first, let's take a look at this personal brand YouTube channel. So you can see I started this channel back in 2018 and I make content on how to do Facebook ads, how to do affiliate marketing, how to make money from YouTube channels. So these are the topics I cover on this YouTube channel. So let's take a look at on the analytics of this YouTube channel. So let me go inside. So you can see here, let me change that to November. So in the month of November, this YouTube channel made $134. It's not a lot of money, but still it's good money in India. So I'm from India and I make videos from India. So you can see here, so the CPM is around $30 on November, and let me change that to December so you can see the numbers. So you can see here, December was not that good compared to November because the CPM is going down. Still, it's pretty common in YouTube because during the festive season, people spend a lot of money. After Christmas, you will see a lot of drop in your CPM. So it's pretty much common. I can easily make more money from this YouTube channel. So you can see here in the month of November, I just published one YouTube video and it almost paid us $134. This YouTube channel is performing really well right now because it's in make money online niche. I talk about Facebook ads, I talk about affiliate marketing. So mostly the advertisements showing up on my YouTube channel will be in high CPM. So that's the reason YouTube is paying us around $13 per 1,000 views. So that's RPM. So this is the amount we're getting paid from YouTube. So this is the playback CPM. So it's before YouTube's cut. So you can see on some days we're getting around like $100 CPM. So like let's look at the estimated revenue on that day. So you can see almost $14. It's around like 1,000 INR in India. So you can see here, so it's around like 500 to 1,000 INR per day on this YouTube channel. So let's look at December's revenue. So you can see the playback CPM is going down because it's going to be the end of Christmas, because after Christmas the advertisers will start spending a lot of money on YouTube advertisements and the playback CPM will go down. So the RPM is around $10. In the last month we got $13 and it's going down $3. So pretty much by end of this month we can easily make around like at least $120 to $130 on this YouTube channel. It's really a passive income. I don't put in a lot of work on this YouTube channel, but it's still making me money. I'm really happy about that, and mostly from January I'll try to make more content on this YouTube channel to keep it live, because when it comes to YouTube you need to publish more content because YouTube algorithm likes YouTube channel which makes content. So mostly from next year Jan, I'll be keeping up with the content. At least 1 or 2 videos per week is what I'm planning to do. So make sure you subscribe for more income report and more case studies on my YouTube channel. So let's look at my lifetime earning on this YouTube channel. So you can see in total we made around $954. So I only started monetizing my YouTube channel from December 2019. So it's almost 1 year right now. It's almost $1,000. So it's around like $80-90 on average per month. So let's look at my second YouTube channel. So you can see here, this is my second YouTube channel, and in this YouTube channel we have like 46,000 subscribers, and in the last 28 days we made $19,460. So let's turn that to November. So November is the biggest month we had on this YouTube channel. So we did around $27,091.13 on this YouTube channel. So let's look at the daily numbers. So you can see here on November 1st we did 700, 685, 636, and it started slowly going up to 700 to almost 900. So this is one of my peaks on this YouTube channel before November, and you can see here 700, 665, 1,000, like consistent $1,000 days for a while, and it went down for a while and it again came back to like $1,000 days. You can see here, and November 20 it really took off and we consistently did almost $1,000 days on this YouTube channel. So let's look at the CPM and RPM of this YouTube channel. So you can see here on this YouTube channel we're getting paid $46 per 1,000 views. This is one of the biggest YouTube channel we have, and it's in high CPM niche. So you can see here on average we're getting paid $32 per 1,000 views. So this is the amount YouTube is paying us for every 1,000 views. So that's the reason we easily getting to like $1,000 days without getting like millions and millions of views. On other YouTube channels, you'll be have around like $3 to $4 per 1,000 views. So that's the maximum you're going to get paid. But in YouTube channels like these, you're going to get paid much higher, like $30 or even $40 per 1,000 views. So let's look at my peak RPM days. So you can see here, this is the peak. We're getting paid around like $40. So all I need to have is like 10,000 views to make like $400, guys. So that's what happened on that day. So let's look at how much we made on November 27, 2020. So you can see on that day we did $1,100 with that CPM. Because when you work on high CPM niches, you don't have to get millions and millions of views. On average, this YouTube channel gets around like 10 to 15,000 views every 24 hours. So that's the average on this YouTube channel. So you can see here, we're getting paid around like $1,000. So let's also look at how much YouTube paid for the month of December. So before that, let me first refresh the screen so you can see that these numbers are really possible on YouTube. Because sometimes you might think that these numbers are some picture or else some inspect element trick people do on YouTube, and I don't want to show you guys some fake numbers. So let me refresh it so you can see I just click reload, and this is the exact number we did in the month of November. So there's no fake numbers. So even I can change this to like last 28 days. You can see this is live, guys. You can't fake these numbers when you change these because if it's an inspect element trick, then the numbers won't change when you click like random numbers, like you can see here. So this is how much we made on this YouTube channel on lifetime. We did around $100,000 on this YouTube channel. We started this YouTube channel in the month of May. So you can see here in the month of May, we were making around like $10 or $14. $40 is what we started making on this YouTube channel, and there's a steady growth, guys. You can see here like there's a video which went viral and we did around like $500. That was our peak for almost like 2 to 3 months. So you can see here there's like $100 days and $200 days, and there's a drop where we started making like $100 every day, every single day, and there's a peak. Like every time you get to that peak, then YouTube will put you on another level. So you can see here there's a steady growth, and it was like on these times we were making like $100, and the next stage we started making like $200, and it steadily went up to like 500, 400 to. So right now in the last 4 months is the biggest month, because Q4 YouTube will pay a lot of money to the advertisers. So the peak is around, like you can see here, 1,300 is what we made in this YouTube channel. That's the biggest day on this YouTube channel. So on average for the last four months we did around like $800 to $1,000. That's the average on this YouTube channel, guys. So let's also look at how much YouTube paid for the month of December. So you can see here, so on the month of December we did around $14,277 on total. The CPM is around like $47. It's around almost $50 because it's in high CPM niche. So mostly after Christmas or after December, the CPM will come back to like 33. So that's the average on this niche, YouTube niche, because we have started more YouTube channels on this particular niche, and so that's the normal number. Like 30 to 35 is a normal number on this YouTube channel. So on this YouTube channel, we don't show the face or we don't do voiceovers. Pretty much everything is outsourced to others to make the videos. So this is one of the easiest YouTube channels you can start. Like pretty much anyone can start, because you don't have to show your face or else you don't do voiceover. Pretty much you can hire someone to do it and you can easily upload it. So the cost of running a YouTube channel like this is around 50 to 70 bucks per month is what you need to run a YouTube channel on this niche. Even one of my one-on-one mentorship student, he really did well in the month of November. So let me show you guys his results. So you can see here, in the month of November, he did 71,000 views and almost did $1,000. So in the month of December, he's going to cross around $1,200. So mostly it will be around like $1,500 to $1,700 in the month of December. So it's really a good amount of money in India. Even it's a good amount of money in anywhere in the world. So if you guys are really interested in joining my one-on-one mentorship, do send me a message on Facebook, and it's not a free mentorship, it's a paid mentorship, and we'll be having weekly calls and live support on Skype, and I show you the channel, and I also give you the niche to work on. So we're going to work on some high CPM niches, so it's not going to be like $2, $3 for 1,000 views. So we're going to get paid like at least $20 to $40 per 1,000 views. So these are easy to make videos, and pretty much anyone can make these type of videos, and you can pretty much hire someone from Fiverr to make these type of videos for at least like $10 per video is what it's going to cost if you outsource it to someone else. Or else you can make it by yourself, and it's just going to cost you like at least 60 to 80 is what's the average it's going to cost you to run a YouTube channel on this particular niche. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I'll be answering pretty much every question, and do subscribe for more videos like this, and see you guys in the next video.